Hey everyone! Today, let's chat about some common mistakes people make when asking questions in English. Knowing these can help you talk more clearly, believe me. The first mistake is forgetting to use do or does at the beginning of the question. So it's incorrect to say, "You like pizza?" In academic English, it's always correct to say, "Do you like pizza?" Or it's incorrect to say, "She play volleyball?" In academic English, and the correct and grammatically correct form is, "Does she play volleyball?" The next one is forgetting to use the base form of the verb without to. So it's incorrect to say, "Does she to speak English?" The correct form is, "Does she speak English?" The next mistake is mixing up the subject-verb agreement. So it's incorrect to say, "Do he play guitar?" The correct form is, "Does he play guitar?" The next one is forgetting to remove the s, es, or ies from verbs when asking questions about third-person singular subjects, he, she, and it. So, it's incorrect to say, "Does she works here?" The correct form is, "Does she work here?" Confusing the order of the words in questions. So, it's incorrect to say, "Like you chocolate?" Everything is, not in order. The correct form is, "Do you like chocolate?" Forgetting to add a question mark at the end of the question when writing. So it's incorrect to write the question, yes, no question form of simple present tense like this. Does he play soccer? With a period. Does he play soccer? Question mark. That's it for today's lesson on asking questions in English. Remember these tips and you'll be asking perfect questions in no time, believe me. Keep practicing and don't forget to add that question mark at the end of the question when writing. And thanks for learning with me today. And see you next time.